What's going down, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of
Dudes Outdoor, and today we're gonna be fishing at Lake Conroe for some bass.
Monster bass. So stay tuned. We're gonna go throw our lines out, wish us luck, and that's what it is. Let's see, Daddy. Turn that puppy around.
Caught that bass right there under the dock.
Let me see, how'd you hook him? Perfect.
Right there, in the, like right here. This is a little strong guy.
Time to let him go, man. Little baby. What is that, a turtle sticking up or is that a stick? Yeah, I seen a turtle. What's going down, man? So just to give you all a quick update, we're right here at this store that they got right here on the lake. We're actually finna grab some bait to try some catfishing now, some catfishing as well, since we're out here. The bite's been kind of slow for the bass. Marcelo caught one. He had a bite, lost one, and then he caught one, and I had a bite and lost it as well. But that's pretty much what we've had so far today. So stay tuned with us. We're still going to be bringing you some action. Hopefully we get to bend a few more poles for y'all. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. Let's go get some bait. Come on. Y'all got bait?
Yeah, it's in the register. We only have one more box of worms.
Okay, well that's perfect. Alright, so we got our snacks. About to get back on this water and see what it brings. Alright, man, so we're right here. We've been out there all day. Our luck's been kind of shabby. Marcelo lost one, caught one. I lost one, caught none. But that's just the way it goes. So it ain't nothing to it but to keep on doing it. Until then, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy ourselves and take a nice little swim. What you think?
Yeah.
Come on.